Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Looking for a sun-soaked escape? Consider exploring onthebeach.co.uk, a popular online travel agency specializing in crafting unforgettable beach holidays. They offer a wide selection of destinations, from the familiar shores of Spain and Greece to more exotic locales in the Caribbean and beyond. On the Beach provides a comprehensive platform for planning your entire trip, allowing you to bundle flights, hotels, and even transfers all in one place. This streamlined approach simplifies the booking process, potentially saving you time and hassle. Their user-friendly website makes it easy to compare options and find the perfect combination to suit your budget and preferences. Whether you're dreaming of a relaxing family getaway, a romantic couples retreat, or an adventurous solo exploration, On the Beach aims to cater to a variety of travel styles. They offer everything from budget-friendly packages to luxurious all-inclusive resorts, ensuring there's something for everyone. Plus, they frequently feature deals and discounts, so keep an eye out for potential savings. With On the Beach, you can tailor your holiday experience to your exact desires. Choose from a vast range of hotels, from cozy boutique accommodations to sprawling resorts with a plethora of amenities. Select your preferred flight times and airlines, and even add extras like airport transfers and travel insurance for a seamless and stress-free journey. So, if you're ready to trade in the everyday for extraordinary beachside bliss, head over to onthebeach.co.uk and start planning your next escape. Their intuitive platform and diverse offerings make it a convenient and appealing option for crafting your perfect beach holiday. Remember to explore their deals and compare options to ensure you're getting the best possible value for your dream vacation. Let us know in the comments where you'd love to travel.